Namaste everyone, welcome to SuperGrads.Crack, and today we will be talking about CAT 2024 exam syllabus. Yes, it is a very doubtful question among the aspirants कि अभी अगर मुझे preparation start करना है तो किस टॉपिक का क्या वेटेज होता है हर सेक्शन में, व्हाट शुड आई बी स्टडीइंग, मुझे कौन से टॉपिक्स आइडियली पढ़ने चाहिए, तो वो सारा कंफ्यूजन रहता है इन द माइंड्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. सो टुडे वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द syllabus that you should be having for your CAT preparation, and we will also understand the weightage of the type of questions that come in every section or with regards to every topic that comes in CAT. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. तो सबसे पहले मैं बात करूं about the verbal ability and reading comprehension section, that is the VARC section. So if I talk about the topics that you should study for your CAT preparation, it is English usage or grammar, then vocabulary base, that is synonyms and antonyms you should be aware of, fill in the blanks, sentence correction, closed passage, jumbled paragraph, meaning usage match, then analogies or reverse analogies, summary type of questions, verbal reasoning, facts, inferences, and judgments, and reading comprehension. Now, I know a lot of you might be thinking, ki, why are we doing this additional, or why do we need to study all the additional topics as well for CAT? कैट में तो वर्बल एबिलिटी में हार्डली जम्बल सेंटेंसेस, समरी टाइप के क्वेश्चंस या ऑड वन आउट और ये सब टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं और आरसी आता है. बट राइट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग, इफ यू आर अ बिगिनर, you need to understand the paper pattern. So it is very much important that you have a foundation first. So it is important that you understand the grammar usage. Now, when you're doing your CAT preparation, as you know, it is heavily dominated with the RCs. So RCs के लिए अब हमें regular reading करना पड़ेगा. Reading जब हम करते हैं तो we are stuck around some words which are difficult to understand. So it is important that you are understanding the meaning and usage of those words as well. So for those reasons, it is important that right from the beginning of the preparation, you understand that what all topics you need to study. It will also be helpful in the other management entrance exams that you are going to write in future, जैसे NMAT हो गया, ZAT हो गया या SNAP हो गया. So it is important that you study all these topics. Now we will understand the weightage जो CAT exam में आता है of the topics that we have for the CAT exam. So see, as I told you, reading comprehension heavily dominated है यहाँ पे, तो 16 questions you have. The difficulty level of the RCs that you have is moderate to difficult. अब अलग अलग टाइप के RCs होते हैं. You have RCs maybe related to science, philosophy, and a lot many topics. So it is important कि अभी से हम reading जो है, reading पे focus करना चालू करें, so that we understand what is our interest and what kind of RCs can I solve in the CAT exam. Then you have para jumbles जिसके 3 questions होते हैं. Again, moderate to difficult होता है उसका level. Then you have odd sentences, verbal ability का topic again, 2 questions, easy to moderate level. VA summary, as I told you, summary वाले questions भी आते हैं. Again, 3 questions are there. Easy to moderate होता है level. So overall difficulty level, if I tell you of this section, is moderate to difficult, and the total number of questions, as you know, it's 24 over here. Now let us move to another section, that is data interpretation and logical reasoning, also known as DILR or LRDI. Now here the topics that you need to understand, DI tools, tables, line and bar graphs, pie charts, miscellaneous graphs, then cubes, linear arrangements, circular arrangements, Venn diagrams, distribution, selection, binary logics, games and tournaments, network flow diagrams, then quant-based DI. Now, if we look at the weightage of this section, again, DI-LR में you have 20 questions. Now, you might have 2 DI sets or 2 LR sets, depending on what is the CAT paper pattern again. But it's sure that you get 2 DI and 2 LR sets over here. Now, the number of questions might change. किसी set में 4 questions भी हो सकते हैं, किसी में 6 भी हो सकते हैं. So here, now for DILR thing, right from the beginning, why do you need to practice all those topics that I mentioned in the previous slide? Reason being so that you understand what kind of sets can you solve in DILR. Are you very good at DI or are you very good at LR? तो वो तभी समझ में आएगा जब वो सारे टॉपिक्स को हम एक बार अच्छे से समझेंगे उनके कॉन्सेप्ट्स को एंड वी सॉल्व क्वेश्चंस अराउंड दोज एरियाज. Okay, now here if I talk about the difficulty level, again it is moderate to difficult. यहाँ पे questions although I have divided कि 5 5 5 आते हैं, but it again depends. किसी किसी set में 4 questions भी होते हैं, किसी में 6 भी होते हैं. So it depends on the again the type of set that you get in the exam. Next and the last section is quantitative aptitude. Now here एक बात अच्छी है कि हमें पता है कि क्वांट का जो सिलेबस होता है कैट में वो इन 5 एरियाज के अराउंड ही होता है. यू हैव नंबर सिस्टम, arithmetic, geometry, algebra, and modern mathematics. Now again here क्वांट में अरिथमेटिक और एल्जेब्रा के जो वेटेज है वो थोड़ा ज्यादा है. वी विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड, बट यू फर्स्ट सी द टॉपिक्स दैट यू हैव इन ईच एंड एवरी पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक दैट वी हैव फॉर क्वांट. जैसे नंबर सिस्टम में यू हैव प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन, you have HCF, LCM, then you have surds and indices. Again, arithmetic में you have simple interest, compound interest, you have time, speed, distance, you have time and work, you have pipes and systems, ratio, proportion, again, another important topic. Geometry में you have circles, polygons, triangles, then you have trigonometry, lines and angles. Then algebra में you have functions, you have groups, inequalities, modulus, polynomials, linear and quadratic equation. Then you have modern mathematics where you have probability, permutation, combination, you have AP, GP, HP. That is the different types of progressions that you have in the exam. Now let us understand the weightage also of QA. क्यूए की अगर मैं बात करूं, एज आई मेंशन अरिथमेटिक और एल्जेब्रा हेवीली डोमिनेट करते हैं सेक्शन को. 8 questions you have of arithmetic, 7 you have of algebra. Then geometry में you get around 3 to 4 questions. Then modern maths again 2 questions, number system again 2 questions you have. So overall 22 questions. Now a lot of non-engineers or the students who are from a non-maths background, who did not have maths in their 11th or 12th or in their college years, they should practice arithmetic very heavily because you guys would be comfortable in that particular question and that particular type of topics which are there in the arithmetic topic. So here, if I talk about the other topics, then it depends that if you start understanding the concepts of each and every particular topic in quant, then you would be able to understand कि आप किस में comfortable हो, आप arithmetic में ज़्यादा comfortable हो या algebra के question solve करने में ज़्यादा comfortable हो. But for non-engineers, this is a basic suggestion. Again, if I talk about the difficulty level, the overall difficulty level, as you can see, is moderate to difficult over here of the QA section. Okay, students, so that was all from my side. I hope अब CAT 2024 का syllabus हमने अच्छे से समझ लिया है. We have understood the weightage also of the type of questions. So I hope now you would be able to start your preparation in full swing. And for that, we are also starting with our new batch today, that is on 27th of March from 7 p.m. Our new batch is starting. So I'm putting the link in the description box. And for more such updates, stay tuned to SuperGrads.Crack.